Hello everybody, welcome back to Resin, or welcome to Resin if this is your first time here. Today we're going to be working on these really pretty angels, and gosh, they look like they're probably about maybe six inches or a little more, and so you could actually do a little wall hanging pairing, or there are little places here if you want to go ahead and make these into ornaments. I just think they're just so pretty. So what I'm going to do today is one of the things I received in my care package from Bonnie and her husband are these air cushion magic powder pins. And I am so excited to try this. So I'm actually going to take this one that looks like it is in gold powder. Okay. And I'm pretty sure these came, gosh, from Temu or from Amazon. I will have to ask her and find out so that I can post the appropriate link. Let's see. Gold, let's see. Some of these, let's see. There's two different shades of gold. One is in, they're numbered just a bit different. I think I'm going to choose between these different shades here. And I'm not sure what the difference is in them yet. Like I said, I haven't used them yet, but gosh, how fun. Let's try. All right, so I can't really tell. We're going to try this one, J08, TJ0008. And get out here. I don't know if I need to do something to get it started. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Take off the lid. Oh gosh, look at, okay, see, look at that. That shows you it's a really pretty kind of a gold color. Pretty, and I think our angel definitely needs to be gold. So let's do her, let's try this on her gown. Oh gosh, how pretty. Wow, you guys, this is really pretty. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't like push it down or anything. I'm just doing the outlines here, which would be the part that would be indented on her dress or gown. See, get that in there more. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get this to go once I've used it. I'm not sure how that's supposed to work. It came out fine on this one. You can see, really pretty. It started lightening up here towards the base, and then on this one, it's just kind of barely coming out. So I'm not sure. Does it say on the box how to do this? It doesn't. Air cushion magic powder pin. I gotta shake it a little bit more. So I'm gonna try that. There we go. I just needed to give it a good shake. There we go. Much better. So if you try this and that happens to you, just put the lid on it, give it some good shaking, and you should be back in business. Really pretty. It looks like a really pretty metallic color. So it might be that if I want this on the part that's going to be raised up here on the dress, I'm probably going to have to come in after it's cured and go ahead and go over it from the outside as well. Oh gosh, you guys, and what about her trumpet? So pretty. Try and get that. Tip might be too big to get into her trumpet, but maybe not her hair. Her hair looks really pretty, so we're going to go ahead and do her hair. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. Can you see how pretty that is? Really pretty. Okay, so now I think I'm going to need like a smaller brush, smaller paintbrush to get in here on her trumpet. So let's find a loose maybe like a loose mica powder. I think we'll use this. This is like a chameleon powder. But we'll just go ahead and lightly dust that in here for her trumpet. Now it's really hard to tell what this is going to look like from the other side. Okay, so this is her body and her arm. Okay, so what we're going to do is I think I want to go ahead and use the gold for her body here. That will be everything except for her arm. Wow, this is so pretty. I don't know if you guys have used these pins before, but it is really, really pretty. How's my resin doing? Feels pretty cool still. Okay, so, you know, let's maybe try a different color. This was the TJ08. And I wasn't going to do the wings any other color. It's kind of a lavender, maybe pinkish lavender. Yeah, actually, let's go ahead and do her wings with this. Gotta have some kind of color that's coming through. And we're using the silver and the white in our mica powder. I mean, in our base. Not doing any kind of black or anything on this. So I'm hoping this will just kind of come through the glitter. This is a really pretty color as well. This a quick shake. We do with the lid. So I'd be interested to know if any of you have used these before. Again, they're called Air Cushion Magic Powder Pen, and I've never seen such a vibrant. Even in the mica powders, this is really, really a pretty shade. They're super metallic and just really pretty. So I'm not sure how those two colors are going to go together. My gold and my like kind of a purple lavendery color, but okay, I'm going to get these out of the way. Clean this off real quick. And let's look here. This is just kind of a really swirly, pretty mixture of just a little bit of my white mixture that has the white and the silver chunky glitter in it. Just a little bit. If anybody's interested in my mixture that I've made here, let me know and I will go over again how I put this together. I just kind of threw together some different things that I had, some diamond dust and different glitters and things. So I am not going to spray my mold with alcohol because of the powders on there. But I am going to do one squirt inside. And I'm going to go ahead and start pouring. A lot of little intricate places in this mold. So I might have to use my coffee stir stick and kind of drag it into all the areas. It's kind of hard to see since I'm pouring kind of a white and a translucent mixture. It's kind of hard to see where it is in the mold, if I'm getting close to the top or if it's getting into all the grooves or not. I see that it's kind of not getting over. I don't see any coming over here into the trumpet, so I'm going to have to kind of help it out here a little bit, drag it in. just a bit, I'm going to pour just a tiny bit in here. I'm going to just make sure I'm filling it up. Okay, there it is. I'm going to give it a quick spray and move it over to my curing rack. I'm going to get my little scoop. There we go. I'm going to set it over to cure. So when that is all done, we will be back and we will demold them. I'm so excited. See you then. Okay, you guys, our angels are completely cured, and I'm super excited to see how these turned out. I'm not going to do any kind of a black background on them, at least not right now, but I'm excited to see how these pins turned out. So pretty. Feel a little bit soft, kind of a little bit bendy still, but that's okay. We can lay them out to flat to cure. Even this side is pretty. And oh my gosh, look at that. How pretty is that? Do I need some kind of a background for this probably to show you? I don't know if that's looking, but it's just so pretty, kind of really subtle. And there's some sparkle in there, and those pins, oh my goodness sakes. Those pins are just amazing. Really pretty. So that is so pretty. I think because these turned out just so pretty and kind of elegant, our hangers are here. They're fully wrapped around, so that's going to make it super easy to put an ornament hanger on these. And gosh, so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and let these finish curing to where they're going to just really kind of firm up. But these are definitely going on my Christmas tree. They are so pretty. So pretty. So, you know, I bought one that's facing left and one that's facing right. You could put them together, you know, and have it be like this. And these are at a point where I could permanently cure them together by pushing them together. But I don't want to do that. I'm going to keep them as two separate ornaments. And beautiful. Really beautiful. I don't need to put any kind of a colored backing on them. I thought about it, but I really just kind of like how this little bit, just a little bit of the glitter that we put in here, how it's just really elegant and it's really pretty. I just love it. As soon as they're completely firmed up, I will go ahead and I'll add that ornament hanger and I will show you the end result at the end of the video. Okay, but I hope you guys had fun with this. I hope you had fun trying out those new pins. Thanks again, Vonnie, for those. Love those. I could see me getting a little addicted to using those on all different kinds of things because I am really impressed with them. So I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you think of this project, and I will see you all next time.